Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorsports. So today I wanted to kind of put a video together. It's out of sequence to all my other videos, but I kind of felt like I'm coming to a point in I'm like uploading tons of videos pretty often right now, trying to catch up. So I kind of wanted to put out a video of explanation, I guess. Not really an update, but an explanation. Definitely some spoilers in this video from what you'll see coming up, but just wanted to explain what was going on. So this summer has been a heck of a summer. I stopped basically editing videos, doing anything with videos, because this summer has been crazy. We had a tornado run through our neighborhood. Our neighbors, actually, months and months after this has happened now, they still don't have a house. So, and there's two neighbors down here that are rebuilding right now. They're putting up their buildings. But yeah, so just wanted to put this video and kind of explain what happened. So like I said, a tornado came through, just tore our house up. We had vinyl siding on the house, and I had to replace all of the, again, Wyoming wind, live with it. Had to replace the siding on the house. You can barely see it over there, the shop, the shed back here. So had to do a ton of work. It took me about, I want to say, 6 weeks to get 100% on getting everything fixed and done and back to normal. So it just ate my whole summer up. And then it was a very rainy summer, so I just put my timeline back, kept pushing it back, and so yeah, it was really a hard summer this summer. So we got through it, and we're getting some of the projects done on the house. You know, I'm right now working on the bathrooms, stuff like that. So just kind of an update or an explanation as to why I kind of stopped doing videos there for a bit. But we're back on track a little bit. Winter's starting to come. It's getting really, really cold, really, really fast. But we still have a lot of things to do. I got a lot of work to do on the truck still, on the Duramax. We got to do some front end work and some other fun stuff. And might get that horn installed. That'd be cool to get the horn installed. That was on the Suburban. But yeah, we're getting there, slow but sure. But I just wanted to put this video out to kind of explain what was going on, because yeah, it's been a heck of a summer. So lots of work, lots of time, and you know, now I think about it, it probably took more like 8 to 10 weeks to get that done, because yeah, I was just working on it every single day, every day. Come back home from work on that. So yeah, didn't do much fun stuff this summer at all. Anyway, so yeah, I'm not gonna do any major spoilers, or some, if you know what we're doing on the videos and where we're at. Kind of a few spoilers just sitting behind me. But yeah, I kind of want to just explain what happened and what I've been doing this summer, instead of putting up videos, which I was planning on putting up a lot more videos on the Ford truck that we're working on, and the swap and everything. But you'll notice, especially when I was building the Ford, I was just trying to pump it out. I didn't do a lot of video editing or even recording, for that matter. So apologize for that, but I did do some. Did a little bit here and there. Lots of work was done on that truck to get it where it is right now, and it's nowhere near done. So but I wanted it put back together and running, so we will work on that for sure. But that's the explanation as to what I've been doing all summer. Been working on this house, and we got rid of the vinyl siding and put up some OSB siding so that it won't get pummeled by the weather, and we'll just need to repaint instead of our complete redo. That was my ultimate goal, and I think it turned out pretty nice. But yeah, so everybody has things that come up in their lives. that's what happened to me this summer. You know, we're blessed. I'm not whining. I'm not complaining. We're very blessed and very lucky. Like I said, our poor neighbors next door to us completely lost their house. Everything, contents, almost everything was destroyed, and they're still not building yet. They still have to get a foundation redone. They still have to get, and of course, then build on top of that once they get there. And like I said, around here, snow is about to fly, and so we got a lot to do, a lot to do. So fingers crossed we can get a lot of it done, and then we'll see where we're going from there. All right, guys, I'll quit rambling, and like and subscribe, share if you can, and everything helps. Comment below. Definitely trying to get the just the knowledge that we're out there. It always helps. So appreciate all you guys for watching, and until next time, peace.